How to change BlueSky username. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's video we will see how we can change BlueSky username. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the BlueSky application in your mobile device and make sure to log into your account. After you're logged in, navigate to the hamburger icon from the top left corner. Then tap on Profile. Once you're under this profile, tap on Edit Profile. Here, tap on Display Name. Now, to change your username, there you will have your display name if you have already created one. If not, you can change it from this interface. Once you have changed your username, tap on Save from the top right corner. And with that, your username on the BlueSky will be changed. So this is the way to change your BlueSky username, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.